14.7 width x 23 length by 9.6 to 13.5 adjustable height. Works with mattresses measuring from 11 inches up to 16 inches deep. Product itself weighs 3.8 pounds. Easy to use and compact, adjusts to most mattress sizes, and can be folded for easy storage. 3 thick ultra-soft molded polyurethane is protected by a soft PU upholstery that's oil and water resistant, and CFC-free. Deluxe Memory foam face pillow ensures maximum comfort and support. 2-year guarantee against manufacturer's defects in materials and craftsmanship. Create on-the-spot home spa with fabulous Master Massage Mattress Top Massage Kit. Master Massage's unique design massage mattress top can provide you comfort and privacy when you enjoy a quality and relaxing massage at your own home. The exclusive features of the lightweight, adjustable, easy-to-transport massage mattress top can easily turn any home mattress into a professional massage therapy surface. The adjustable headrest and 3 thick face pillow of ultra-soft molded polyurethane memory foam guarantees client comfort and is protected by a soft PU upholstery that's oil and water resistant, and CFC-free. It can relieve your family's stress, achieve deeper levels of relaxation and soothe sore muscles. Master Massage Mattress Top Massage Kit is convenient and compact home massage tool providing all the functions needed to get a therapeutic massage without leaving your home. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for vitrectomy recovery. Bought this for vitrectomy surgery, for macular hole. It was perfect for surgery recovery that requires head-down positioning. Used it to sleep. Worked great in our bed that had extra thick mattress.